Hey guys, I'm Metso from MIMICO, and today we're looking at the Metso Nordtrack S3.7 mobile track screen. Nice and simple, we have from the ground refueling on both sides of the machine, a block of grease points that with simple instructions on the side there, once a week for 40 hours and 2 pumps. Within this box here, we have our startup unit, and that's got the various functions including tipping grid, speed. We also have the light mask switch, water suppression, this bank of controls here for the operation of the machine, and separate startups. So nice and simple, it's either up or down. Starting the machine from the right, we move through to the left, and then shut down left to right. Our machine is powered by a Cat C 4.4 Tier 3 diesel engine. One of the great things about the engine and engine department is you have air filter, oil filter, all nice and easily to access. Our dipstick for the engine, right there. We have the viewpoint for our hydraulic tank right there as well, and there's even quite a bit of room for service guys to get in there and stand up actually. The Nordtrack S3.7 has 2 remotes. We have one remote for tracking, and then we also have the blue remote, which is your operational remote. And this is the remote that you can have on the digger or the loader. It has the tipping grid on it if you need to tip the overs off. It also has your feeder start up to feed the screen, and with that you also have a speed button for the feeder to control speed. You also have engine shut off and then a horn start up shut down alarm. We have a simple bank of levers to move from transport mode to operational mode. Nice and simple. Also point to note, another e-stop. 7 e-stops on this machine. Something drastic happens, immediate shutdown. Under our main fines conveyor, we have our auxiliary hydraulic setup. With that, you can run a hydraulic stacker, one of our fine materials washers. Rightio, we're at the business end of the S3.7. So the screen box is 2 deck. Top deck is 5x14, bottom deck is 5x12. Top deck is side tension, bottom deck is end tension. We also have this hydraulic arm here. When you need to do some screen changes or a bit of other maintenance, checking water sprays or what have you, we can lift this up. It then gives you a lot more access room to do what you need to do. Another great feature we have about the 3.7 for our maintenance and screen changes, we can roll the screen box and the conveyor down. Well, it's going to make it a lot more easier to do your screen changes. Also too, we can raise the top conveyor, and that just opens up all that access. Also with the conveyor down at ground level, if there's any undershoot work that you need to do underneath, makes it a whole lot more easier. This 3.7 is a pretty versatile machine. You can do anything from dry skin chip, sand, topsoil, wood chips. You know, with the 100mm spacing on the tipping grid, you can run some base course through. It's simple to use, it's economical, it's great all-round machine. That's a wrap on Metso Nordtrack S3.7. Thanks for tuning in, and if there's any other details or information that you need, contact the materials processing team here at MIMICO. Thanks.